Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Sometimes we're always in a hurry, right? We don't have time to perform a nice shave with a lather from a bowl like this. You know, squirt some lather in there, drop some soap in there, lather it up, get your shave on. We don't have time for that often days, usually Monday through Friday. Saturday, Sunday, you can use a bowl, use a straight razor, take your time. On those Monday through Friday mornings when you don't have time to use your bowl, what you want to do is a quick face lather, shave, be done, out. You know, the 3 S's, you want to do those in about 10 minutes and be out of the house. I'll show you right now how to do a quick face lather, nice and easy. I'll show you how to do it 2 ways with your brush, from a tub or with a tube like this. So whether you have shaving cream or soap in a tub or you have shaving cream from a tube like this, I'll show you that real quick. Usually you're going to be coming right from the shower. If not, warm up your face. Some good hot water. Always best to shave after a shower, but if you can't, just hot water on the beard. You want that beardage to be nice and soft, so when you apply your lather and shave, you get a nice close shave. I'll show you with the jar first. Remove the cap, take your brush, soak it under the hot water. Give it a good soak. You don't need much. Just go in here, just wet the tips, just a little bit, just like that. You don't need a lot, like I said. Then under the hot water, just a little bit, and directly to the face. Just like that. Work it right into the beard, and the more you swirl, the more lather you're going to generate. Also, the heavier your beard is, the more lather you'll generate, because the beard actually helps create more friction for your shave. Or I should say for your brush. A little more water. So you just use a little bit of cream and then add water as you go along until you reach your desired consistency. You don't want that cream to be too thick or too thin. Little figure 8. Smooth out the lumps and the bumps. You're good to go. Swipe the lips. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways. If you're using shaving cream from a tube, 2 things you can do. You can wet the brush, remove the cap on the tube, and squirt a little bit right into the brush and then face lather, or use your hand as a little holder for the shaving cream and just swirl a little bit to wet those tips again, just like so, under the water, just a few drops, right to the face, commence to lathering. All you need is about an almond sized dollop of shaving cream. Just drive it right into the beard. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the lips. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways. Get your shave on. By the way, this is my Muhle R89 Twist, and this is about the, I believe, 6th shave with this Astra blade. And it seems to get smoother as I go along. So, pushing the limits on the blade, but it's working quite well, so I'm going to stick with it until it starts to pull and tug and doesn't perform well, and then I'll swap it out. Under the hot water. Just nice and smooth after a few shaves with the blade. You can do this with the feather blades too. And actually, this is one of the original Astra blades before they switched over. It's the one with the numbers on it. Rinse. rinse. Mustache. Quick rinse and relather. Same brush. I'm not adding any cream to it. Across the grain. Backhand. Against the grain. Beautiful. Rinse. Quick rinse. And then we'll hit the cheeks real quick. Just get them baby smooth. Don't scrape, but skim. Excellent. Final rinse. Nice cold water rinse. Take your Shave Nation wide stick alum block under the cold water. Just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Sealing off any small nicks or weepers. Tightening the skin. Recap that. Set it off to the side. And let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Apply your favorite aftershave. That's it. That's how you do a quick face lather and a quick shave. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. I greatly appreciate that. Over 500 videos, shaving, and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.